How do you retain your investors? Rahul Gandhi CPA answers. If you're like most business owners, you've probably had to pitch your company to potential investors. And if you're like most business owners, you may have also struggled with retaining those same investors. In this blog post, Rahul Gandhi CPA shares tips on how to make sure your investors stick around. Rahul Gandhi CPA's tips for retaining investors. Investors are a crucial part of any business. They provide the capital that businesses need to grow and expand. Without them, many businesses would struggle to survive. However, retaining investors can be a challenge. Here are some tips for keeping your investors happy and invested in your business. 1. Be honest and transparent about your finances. Investors want to know where their money is going and how it is being used, says Rahul Gandhi CPA. If you are not honest about your finances, they will lose trust in you and may choose to invest elsewhere. 2. Keep them updated on your progress. Investors want to see that their money is being used wisely and that the business is growing. Send them regular updates on your progress and let them know how their investment is helping your business succeed. 3. Be realistic about your goals. Don't make promises that you can't keep. If you overpromise and underdeliver, investors will lose faith in you and your business. Set realistic goals and do everything you can to meet them. 4. Communicate frequently. Investors want to feel like they are part of the team and that their opinion matters. Make sure you communicate with them regularly and take their feedback into account when making decisions about the business. 5. Show them what their money is doing. When investors see the tangible results of their investment, they are more likely to be happy and remain invested in your business. Show them how their money is being used to grow the business and achieve success. 6. Be responsive to their concerns. If investors have concerns about the business, make sure you address them in a timely and professional manner. Show them that you are open to feedback and willing to make changes based on their input. 7. Reward them for their loyalty. Investors who have been with your business for a long time deserve to be rewarded for their loyalty. Offer them special privileges or benefits that show your appreciation for their continued support. 8. Keep them informed of changes. If there are any major changes happening within the company, Rahul Gandhi CPA recommends making sure your investors are the first to know. They will appreciate being kept in the loop and will be more likely to remain invested in your business if they feel like they are part of the decision-making process. Rahul Gandhi CPA's concluding thoughts. By following these tips by Rahul Gandhi CPA, you can ensure that your investors are happy and remain invested in your business. They play a vital role in the success of your company and should be treated with the respect they deserve. Thanks for watching.